Hello, how is everybody doing? I hope you're well. It's Keroy here, and today I wanted to read you a poem that will be in my upcoming book, Divine Soul Whispers, Volume 2, and it's called A Life Well Lived. Whatever your heart desires, do it anyway. I'm reading from my laptop. It's called A Life Well Lived. Whatever your heart desires, do it anyway. As people talk, criticize, judge, share expressions, good and unpleasant, do it anyway. For life is a generous boss. She will give you what you believe you deserve. If you go to the river with a cup to receive your blessing, your cup will be filled. If you take a truck with a water tank, your tank will be filled. Let wisdom rule in your midst. Let understanding fill your heart and mind as you create an open-ended pipe for all the showers of blessing to flow without ceasing. Open, open channel, open heavens, open hearts and open hands, living a life of your dreams, building castles in real life, and lifetimes of cherished memories. This is A Life Well Lived, one of my poems that will be in my upcoming book. I hope you enjoyed that. As always, it's Keroy. Talk to you soon.